Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off notifications for MyQ. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to know when their MyQ devices are possibly open or closed. And so the one that I'm talking about is this app right here. So this right here is MyQ, and I personally use it to actually go ahead and open and close my garage. So how do you actually go ahead and turn on or off notifications for it? Now, the best way to do it is that you want to hop onto your settings tab here. And then on this page, you want to scroll down to where it says notifications. So notifications is right over here. Next, you're going to scroll down until you can find MyQ. So MyQ is right over here. And then right next to allow notifications, you're going to see a toggle button. So right now I have it toggled on, which means that it will show me a notification when MyQ Garage is opened or closed. But if you want to go ahead and turn it off, you can just simply toggle it back off, and you'll see that all those settings have now disappeared. So if I click on it again, it'll now show the settings of different alerts once my garage is opened or closed. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on or off notifications for MyQ. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next